At a particular time, when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meters. So this is the vertical tower. So this is the vertical tower. Its shadow is 45 meters. Its shadow is, this is a shadow. This is vertical tower. Okay. Its shadow is how much? 45 meters. This is 45 meters. The length of the shadow is 45. Calculate the height of the tower. So sun's altitude is, this is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. Okay. Sun's altitude is 30 degrees. First question. So we know that tan theta, tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. This is acute angle. Opposite acute angle is perpendicular. This is base. Again, this is simple right angle triangle. Okay. So tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 is equal to perpendicular by base. Here the question is calculate the height of the tower. Height of the tower is, let us say this is O, this is A, this is B. AB is the height of the tower. So perpendicular is nothing but AB. AB divided by base, that is OB. Okay. Here AB is the height of the tower. Root 3 is equal to height of the tower. Height of the tower. Height of the tower divided by OB, that is 45. So 45 by root 3, that is equal to 45 by root 3. Okay, 45 by root 3, that is equal to 25.98. 25.98 meters. 25.98 meters. That is the height of the tower. Height of the tower. First question over. That is the height of the tower. So second question is the length of the shadow of the same tower when the sun's altitude is A 45 degrees, B 60 degrees. So next we know the height of the tower. Height of the tower is 25.98. They are asking, here the shadow is 45 meters. When the sun's altitude is 30 degrees, what is the length of the shadow? The altitude is 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, we have to calculate shadow. For the second case, here this is the height of the tower. We have to calculate, this is the 45 degrees. So we know the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower. Height of the tower is 25.98 meters. We have to calculate, this is O, this is A, this is B. We have to calculate OB. OB is the shadow of the tower. Okay, shadow of the tower. How to calculate? Again the same. Tan 45 degrees, that is equal to 1. When it will become 1? This is, again this is perpendicular. I use green color. This is perpendicular, this is base. So when perpendicular is equal to base, then only you will get tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1 is equal to AB by OB. So we know that AB is equal to 25.98. So OB is equal to 25.98. The shadow of the, this is 25.9 meters. Okay, this is the answer. This is 25.98 meters. Sun's altitude is 45 degrees. The third question is, the sun's altitude is 60 degrees. So same. This is the tower. Okay. Now we have to calculate, this is 60 degrees. Let us say this is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. No, not 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is O, this is A, this is B. Okay. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. So tan 60, again we have to calculate this OB. OB. So OB is the shadow of the tower. So tan 60 is equal to tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to, this is perpendicular, this is base. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். எல்லாமே ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் தான். ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிளாக இருந்தால் தான் இந்த தியரியை ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகும். ஸோ root 3 into perpendicular. Perpendicular, we know the distance. This is 25.98 meters. So 25.98 divided by OB. OB is the shadow of the tower. So OB, that is equal to shadow of the tower. So tower, that is equal to root 3 into OB. OB is equal to root 3 into OB is equal to 25.98. So OB is equal to, that is shadow of the tower is equal to 29.98 divided by root 3. So 25.98 divided by root 3. That is equal to 40, almost 15 meters. 44.99, 15 meters. This is the length of the shadow when the sun's altitude is 60 degrees. Okay? Or a general question. Here they are using the word altitude, sun's altitude. Here they are using the word length of the shadow. Length of the shadow. What is the difference between altitude and length? Why they are not using length, that is altitude, distance. So height instead of height. So height of the tower. Okay. There are three terms. Length, height, length, neelam. What is the difference between height and altitude? Why they are not using sun's height is 30 degrees? Why they are using altitude? Here, altitude of the tower. Yeah, use panna. Please type the word difference between altitude, height in the Google. Okay? Then you will understand. Thanks.